love candy. I know I'm starting this intro fast. Y'all know I love candy. I'm a candy holic, as y'all saw in my other videos. I got another giant gummy. This is not from Valentine. This is actually from Amazon. We got it from. I believe it's a giant. You know what? I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm gonna leave you all for the surprise. I say let's open it up right now. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even lift it, guys. I need help. Oh.
You really did need help.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's a giant gummy bear. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow giant gummy bear, guys.
It's bigger than your head, dude.
Oh my god, it's heavy. It's heavier than the giant gummy worm, guys. So it's a rainbow. I'm guessing this is blue raspberry. This is probably orange, and this is probably cherry, I'm guessing.
Does it say?
No, I'm guessing that. Guys, look at the back. Look how big this is. Guys, let's open this up. I'm so excited.
What's it smell like?
Actually, it smells kind of sour.
Really?
It's not really sour. It smells sweet.
Oh.
How do I get this out? Sorry, we got this board, guys. So it's gonna be really protective. Okay, so guys, oh my god. I'm gonna take this off for the first time. Let's do this. Oh.
It looks kind of...
I can't even take it out, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Guys. Oh. It's a wrestling match. And Ethanicus won. Alright, guys.
Oh. Okay.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Dun, dun, dun. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Guys, this is heavier than the gummy worm. So it's gonna be, it's at least 4 pounds. So guys.
It's 5 pounds, actually.
Okay, so guys.
He looks kind of
This
cute.
is gonna be, this is blue raspberry, this is orange, and this is cherry. Guys, as y'all know from all my other gummy videos, I like to hit gummies to see if they can be good war for weapons. Let's do this. Let's try it. Ow!
Dude, don't beat him up.
Weapons.
He's kind of cute and cuddly.
Guys, I like gummy bear. It's bigger than my head, guys. Oh my god. I mean, guys, I'm gonna take my first bite. 3. I feel bad for you. 3, 2, 1. No, this is blueberry. This is not blue raspberry. But it's good. Mmm.
It's blueberry?
Blueberry. Ah, tastes good. Guys,
You
it's
took
like
a ginormous bite. Like, take a
it's like
smaller
a gummy donut, guys. It's hard. Guys, this is so dope. I just noticed something, guys. What's this? It must be a failure or something. They messed up.
Yeah, it looks like they got a piece of the blue raspberry.
I'll try
or
it.
the blueberry inside the cherry. Could be a roach.
This could be. This is definitely cherry. Let's try this. 1.
Be careful.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Guys, I'm gonna bring this to school. I'm feeling, hey guys, this is my snack and lunch. Don't worry about it. Okay, that's it? I'm like, dude, is this not enough? I'm sorry, it's more than enough. Like, oh dang.
So how do you rate the giant gummy? Like, how does it compare to the giant gummy worm?
I feel like the flavors, I think the gummy worm has more better flavors, except for cherry. This would win against cherry, the blueberry.
So, okay, so that blueberry beats the gummy worm cherry, but not the green apple on the gummy.
Right, the green apple was
Awesome.
Guys. Oh my gosh.
Lay him down on his back real quick. Dude, other people might want to eat that.
Guys.
So the back, you can see the kind of the seams good in the back.
Bubbles where they kind of injected gummy silicone molds. So
how does this rate on the giant gummies scale?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 5. You've been doing 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5 about. Honestly, maybe about 462,432, 572,742,742,064, and 0.23. That's how much I like it. All 5.
So this is your favorite so far?
Yoink! Yes.
Okay, that's awesome.
Well, I think we're gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, maybe if you like the video and subscribe, maybe we can get a whole army of these. Then we'll try to get custom-made gummy guns. Like, get ready to fire! If you'll be the leader with other just normal colored, like normal just red colored gummy bears, but they're bigger too. But he'll be the leader since he's multicolored.
So you want to have like a gummy bear
We'll make
war?
a gummy army, and they'll go against the gummy worms. We will, guys. Remember in my gummy worm video, I said maybe we can get the sour gummy worm. There will be 2 leaders from each team, so maybe this can be the leader, and then there will be a sour gummy worm leader. Then they will have normal sized gummy bears, and then we'll have normal sized gummy worms against each other. That'd be so cool. Like the bosses fight and then the mini ones fight. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching Ethanicus World. Make sure to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like the video. Peace out, guys.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.